Guys, what's up? My name is Tom. Welcome to another video on Roblox. Today we here now on the annual update on mining simulator. Today, let's see the another update and let's go. This is a new update. Crystal, and let's try to eat. You need 220 rebirth before you can travel the crystal. Oh, so sorry guys. As you can see, my rebirth, and then I have a 11 rebirth, and it's okay guys. We try to travel any, and this so many items I have, and trails new and van, and try to spin this. Attack commando, and let's go to the beach, and we go to the beach to mining gate for some coins. And let's go here. Oh, and let's go. As you can see, my bag $2,500,000, and let's see how much coin I have. It's because I have 11 rebirth. If you are rebirth, you get the 2 times coins or what else, and you have chance to get a more dominoes. And see guys how much I have this. If this bag is full, so sorry guys. For more days I not videos because I'm sick. I'm so sorry guys. Today we got this guys. Don't worry. Make sure smash the like button and comment, and don't forget to subscribe guys, and hopefully you enjoy this video and my other video. And if you join my server, and it's okay, we try to trade. And if you are my fan, tell me if you're watching my any videos. I will give you any item. Tomorrow I'm go to store. I will buy the Robux card for purchasing any item, and and don't forget my next video, and I will give promo cards. As you can see, your backpack is full. Sell your or upgrade your backpacks to see how much coins I have. And what? I got 2 billion. Whoa! Did you see that? Let's go to shop and let's buy this pets. Oh, per million. Pets again. How much? How much did I report? Oh, you need 120 million coins to rebirth. Let's rebirth, guys, for 12 rebirth. I have 11 rebirth. If I rebirth this, I get a 12 rebirth. 3, 3, 2, 1 rebirth. As you can see, guys, my backpack is going to 10 and 0 coins. We don't worry that. Sell all and you can watch my coins again, and I get a 14 million. And let's go to shop, backpack, earn shop. The earn shop is this pack. I want this. Oh, 52 million. 52 million. I cannot afford that thing. And let's go to buy tools. Now the earn shop. And let's go this. How much this? Oh, 35 million. This I will purchase this item. This item, guys. Let's go now. Let's go to mining now. Let's go to mining now. Yeah. Ito. Ang kubaw. Oh, I got that 61 million, guys. So many rebirth. Because so many rebirth I have. I got 7 million. And the chest. Oh, I got a 4 million. We need to earn more cash. Let's go to return. And his Domino's. Look at this, his Domino's. So colorful. And guys, this is my video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Make sure you comment and smash the like button, and thanks for watching, and goodbye.